Alright guys, so right now I'm just going to be teaching you guys how you can make Yanny sound like Laurel or Laurel sound like Yanny. It's actually really easy guys. So this video is actually for those that hear one of these sounds and are really frustrated about not being able to hear the other one. So for me personally, I hear Yanny and I was actually really frustrated when people told me that it sounds like Laurel because it did not sound like Laurel for me. Alright guys, so as you guys can see on the screen right now, the very first thing that you're gonna need is a video editor that can change the pitch of the audio. You guys can probably tell from the watermark that I'm using KineMaster. So the following audio that you're gonna hear, for me it sounds like Yanny. I know for some people it may actually sound like Laurel, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make Laurel sound like Yanny or Yanny sound like Laurel. So here we go guys. Alright guys, so that totally sounded like Yanny to me. I don't know what it sounded like to you, but if it sounded like Laurel to you, I'm going to be showing you guys how you could make it sound like Yanny. So all you're going to have to do is you're going to have to change the pitch of the audio. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm just going to lower the pitch 6 times and we're going to see what it sounds like. So here we go.
Yanny, 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 Yanny.
Alright guys, so that made it pretty clear. Now for people like me that are really frustrated about the fact that some people hear Laurel, I'm going to be showing you guys how. So just watch this. So I'm just going to higher the pitch 6 times. And check this out guys.
Laurel, 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 Laurel.
Alright guys, I'm pretty sure you heard Laurel this time. So that was the video guys. If you find this video cool guys, please do not forget to leave a like to this video. Also do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching and I'm going to talk to you guys in the next one.